Hello guys, today we're going to test out YSL new All Hours Foundation. To be honest, I only used a couple of times. Today going to be the third time, and we're going to do a minimum 8 to 9 hours testing. It's because I was so surprised with the foundation when I first time used it. The finishing, the lasting, pore minimizing, like, all the points that I'm looking for a foundation. This one seems to tick all the boxes. Let's see it together. First of all is the packaging. It is a standard in a way, but very high class, I would say. The formula is like liquid. See? Oh, by the way, my color LN4. And when you smudge it out, even just by hand, it's just like a face cream, and it's melt into the skin so well. See this top? Very smooth. You don't feel it contains powder at all. And it's also contain SPF 20. I've done sunblock, just quickly spray a bit. Okay, let's use on this side first. What I like about this one is a little bit different from like a normal long-lasting foundations, such as Lancome, NARS, and also the Makeup Forever HD Real Skin Foundation. Those foundation glue up very quickly. Therefore, you have to apply it and spread it out immediately. Otherwise, may feel a little bit difficult to do that afterwards. But this one, you see, I've already left it here for a while. It's still very easy to be spread out. The extension of this foundation is really good. And I was so surprised the first time when I was using it is the coverage. You only need to use very, very sheer layer, but give you like 70 up to 80% coverage. I was like overwhelmed. And remember my acne marks here, yeah, over here, and this one. How smooth this side is. This level of coverage, like high coverage, and look, this natural is very rare. Besides, have a look, pore minimizing. Compared to my pores, very visible over here. And the finish is literally the skin finish. See this side, I haven't applied. This side is look like you have a healthy skin and you're born this way. And then you see the reflection. It's a similar level like this side. It looks so real, just like your own skin. I am absolutely overwhelmed. By the way, it has very mild smell. It's not as strong as, for example, Gucci or Galan's one. If you have, for example, better skin condition than mine, this one will easily to help you achieve flawless finish without using any additional items. You just need the foundation. That's it, job done. This is the foundation with top coverage and look so natural, real skin. I know I'm repeating myself, but I don't know what's the other way to describe it rather than you born this way, good, healthy skin finish. By the way, it does oxidize about like 20%, but once it's set, it doesn't continue. It is now 10:23. I see you guys in about 4 or 5 hours. It is now 3 o'clock, 4 past 3, let's say 3 o'clock. So it is 4.5 hours. Let me zoom you in. No touch up, yeah? no touch up. 4.5 hours, pretty much almost no additional face oil. And what I really like is maintain, the skin finish so well. I have no highlighter. I didn't even put blush today. But have a look, the face on this side as well. And here. And have a look at this area where I had the spot marks, acne marks. The coverage is still maintained. And have a look at the trouble area, my usual trouble area. The only small bit which I've noticed earlier in the toilet is over here. Just over here. I don't know what it seems a little bit kind of like on the way to disappear. It looks like I touched something on, then removed partially of the foundation. Just over here. Other than that, the rest remained so well. See you guys in another 4 hours. Oh my god. Stand still.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. You say hello everyone, my name is
Emily K.
How old are you? I am
4.
4. Very good.
I like Elsa.
You like Elsa. Very good. Hey, no poking on the camera, please. Okay, let's show them what time it is now. It is 25 past 7.
No.
So it is. See? It is exactly 9 hours. And now we can have a look.
And the rest and the look. And the you and the star.
Okay, mommy needs to work. Mommy needs to show people how's my foundation performed on my face. Now you can check on my face. Check on my face. Does it look okay? My face?
No.
No?
Yes.
Does it look okay on my face?
Yes.
Yes? The foundation is good?
Yes.
Okay, just give you guys a last update. Being 9 hours, great thing is the oil control. Since last 4 hours, 4.5 hours review, I still haven't touched up. I know there is a little bit surrounding my mouth because I had dinner, so a little bit wiped it off. Other than that, the face, especially oil control, it remained so well. When I had a look at the details, the only challenge I still have is this part. It's kind of a start like fading out. See? Here. But other than that, the rest is still remain good. Look at this side. Emily, please. This side, see? And the coverage for here is gone down a little bit, only on this one. On this side is also good. So in summary, the YSL All Hours Foundation is really good. Really good. Oil control, pore minimizing, and also the finishing are the top 3 performance I love the most. The coverage, even just with a thin layer, will give you up to 70-80%. And for pore minimizing on my face is, I would give 4.5 stars out of 5. In terms of lasting for 9 hours for foundation performing like this, it's not bad at all. The finishing is absolutely gorgeous. It looks way much more natural skin finish compared to a lot of high coverage foundations. That's what I like this the most. So for the price of it, I think it's definitely worth it. And my color is LM4, so it's kind of a matching myself okay. It's just sheer darker than my actual skin tone, especially compared to my neck color. But other than that, it's a very, very good one to have. But I need to test it out a little bit more in terms of self-depending. So I need to try this with different primers or without primers, for example, and with different skincare. If it still performs steadily, I think this is probably going to be in my, annual favorite. We shall see. We're going to find out. For that reason, if you don't want to miss my annual favorite, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next one.